John Ayers, driver of Fletcher Cox's Foxbody, and you've got one bad machine. We saw you in Georgia. This car's a handful.
Yes, it is.
What's the quickest pass on the car to date?
395.
395? Yeah. Hoping to better that this weekend?
I hope so.
Tell me about the combo in the car. What's the engine, turbos?
Turbos are 102 Precisions.
102s?
Yeah. And the motor's a 481X Proline motor. And got a 400 transmission from Martin.
You said he didn't want to get in on this interview.
He does.
Guest appearance.
Yeah.
You got a hell of a crew.
Thank you. Team effort. Thanks to everybody.
Definitely. Well, it's a beautiful car.
Well, I appreciate it.
Good luck to you this weekend.
Thank you.
396, 204. Congrats, man. That is awesome. You had your hands full.
Yes, sir.
Woo, that's badass.
Man.
Is that the quickest the car's gone?
Yeah.
Is it?
Fastest stop suspension car in the world.
What was your quickest ET before that?
94?
94? Damn.
95. Yeah, so we've been like, had a breaking car all day.
What are you thinking about for the final? Line it up against Andrew's car?
It'll be a tough match.
You guys making some changes for this one?
Oh yeah, we're making some changes.
The 386 you just ran? Holy shit. It's gonna be a hell of a final.
Yes, it will be.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
That looked close.
That was fun.
Damn wheelies.
Yeah.
You had to pedal a little bit?
Yeah, I had to get out of it.
It was still close.
Yeah.